Welcome to our AACSB conference attendee walkthrough of the Hopin platform. We hope this quick tutorial is beneficial as you prepare for the conference. First and foremost, make sure that you're using Google Chrome as your internet browser. The platform works best with Google Chrome and your overall event experience will be better. Once you enter, you're taken directly to the Welcome tab of the conference. The left side is the navigation panel. The middle is the main section, and the right side is the interactive features panel, where you can find the chat box, polls, the attendee list, and the AACSB Twitter. The overall event interactive panel is static within each area of the conference. You can also click this arrow to hide the interactive features panel and increase your screen size. Here on the Welcome tab, you can find some helpful tips and links in our welcome message. And if you scroll down, you'll see the schedule of events. The schedule of events is separated by day, and you'll see the time of the session in your time zone, the name of the session, a description of the session, as well as where the session is located in Hopin. You can also click the Add to My Agenda button to create your own schedule. The Stage tab is where our keynotes, conference welcomes, and general sessions will take place. Once you enter the stage, the Features panel will automatically switch to the Stage panel. Under the Stage panel, there is the chat, polls, Q&A, and Twitter for the stage area. Those communications will only be visible to others in the stage. You can still toggle between the stage and the main event chat. Keep in mind that the panel with the orange line is the active panel. The Sessions tab is where the concurrent sessions and breakout sessions will take place. Each session room will appear 5 minutes before the session begins. Click on the room you wish to enter. When you enter the session room, the panel will automatically switch to the Session panel. Here you can use the chat, polls, attendees, Q&A, and Twitter for this session. These communications will only be visible to others in your session. You can participate as a viewer or by communicating in the chat box. If the session allows attendees on camera, you can click the Request to Share Audio Video button to use your video and microphone. Here you will be randomly matched with another attendee for a one-on-one conversation. You can meet for a minimum of 30 seconds to 3 minutes using video and audio. Click Join, and you'll be connected to the next available person. Keep in mind that you can only match with someone when they're also in the Speed Networking tab, so we suggest visiting during designated Speed Networking break times. Now let's go to the exhibitor showcase. This is where the exhibitor and sponsor booths will be located. Within each booth, you can watch a pre-recorded video, access links to their website and social media, or connect with them through their booth chat. Also look at the conference agenda for designated times to network with exhibitors and sponsors, as well as any demo sessions. Our last navigation tab is the AACSB Exchange. Click this icon, and the AACSB Exchange community page will appear in a new window. Now let's go back to the Attendees tab under the Event panel. This is where you can find a list of all of the conference attendees once they've entered the Hopin platform. You can search for them in the search box, or you can scroll to find their name. You can communicate through private chat messages, schedule a meeting, or invite them to a private one-on-one video call within Hopin. Once you send a message, they'll receive a notification here on the arrow. If someone sends you a message, you'll also see a notification here. If you click on the arrow, it will take you to the Messages tab, where you can see all of your personal direct messages. Finally, let me quickly show you how to edit your profile. Click the arrow down and select Edit Profile. Here, you can add or change your profile picture, and you can update all of your information and click Save. We hope this was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you at the conference.